Right. Thanks a lot for the feedback. Um, I took a lot of corrections from it. And with that being said, I'm going to look into pound US dollars. And as we can see, we have pound US dollars here. And we look at the trend. We see that right here. When was this? Oh, 21st of January. It doesn't really matter. What we're looking at is the trend. So we saw higher low, higher low. We see higher highs, higher highs. We see one lower low, but then we see higher low, higher highs, and then around here we see a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower low. We see higher high, but then lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low, higher highs, and around here will be it's a little bit of consolidation, if I say so. Basically, um, the trend is going down because it's a series of lower lows, and the last lower low would be this one right here, right? I mean, I could do that with my horizontal line, but it's visible. Like I can see it's that one. So to draw Fibonacci, we would put our Fibonacci. So since we want to, it's going low, we want to get into to sell. We would start right here, which the last high that made the low is here. So then we'll draw our Fibonacci right there, right, right there. So as we can see, we can actually, when the price gets here, we can get involved here, but to be honest, we wait when the price gets all the way back here. We watch for this to turn dark green, and this to cross down, and then the candle closes on red. We sell. Thank you.